Hey, hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Now, let me take you through our course curriculum. Now, if you want to join Gyanarpan, then you should know that what are all the things we follow and what exactly the culture that we have in Gyanarpan. Okay. So once you come to this page, that is gyanarpan.com, what you have to do is you have to scroll down. Now here you can see three programs. So currently we are running three programs here. First one is internship in Salesforce Administrator. Then we have a pre-placement program in Salesforce Expert. And third one is internship in hands-on on Python. Now we will talk about this internship program and scholarship program. We also have some scholarship program also. So we will talk about this in some other video. Now let's focus on the pre-placement program. So the name that we have on the pre-placement program is Salesforce Expert. This is because, see, what we have done is our team have understood the requirement of different companies in the market currently, and based on those requirements, we have created a certain program, and that's the reason we have given a name as Salesforce Expert. Now, if you click here on pre-placement program, then you will be landing on the pre-placement page where all the information of the pre-placement program can be visible. So here if you see this is a pre-placement page. Now here you just have to scroll down a bit and you will see a description section. Now this description section tells you everything about this a pre-placement program, that is Salesforce Expert program. That okay, to whom this pre-placement program is, what are all the prerequisites required for the pre-placement program, and what exactly it will give you. So a few lines are written in the description. Now the most important thing on this page is this, that is who can apply. Here we have mentioned few things about who can apply, like candidate who has completed at least an undergraduate degree, so they are eligible, they can do this program. Candidate who has done BE, BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA, etc. All these students are also allowed. Some person student, like for example, because of COVID, most of the student did not get a job, so they can also apply for this course. They can do complete training, and then they can also get placed. Now we also have some working professional in our organization who are under training and they wanted to do the career transition. Also there are some candidates who are not from the computer science background, neither from the mechanical or civil background. They are from altogether a different background, consider agricultural background, and they want to switch it to IT. So those people also can apply. So whoever wants to make a career transition in Salesforce, they can apply for this program. Now before going to the program overview and the benefits of this program, I would like to take you through the course content that we have. Now if you see, our course content is divided into three parts, that is Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, and Salesforce integration. Most of the people will cover Salesforce admin and Salesforce development, that too not at the very depth, but if we see our course curriculum, we have covered depth as well as breadth of the program. So if you see, if you click on any of the topic, there are subtopics also. That means we have covered everything that is required in the topic. Okay, see here. Fine. So this is all about Salesforce admin. Now I'll just close this. Cool. How many I have to open? Okay. Now let's go to the Salesforce development. So here most of you must be worried about, like sir, we don't know programming, I'm not from IT background, or I'm afraid of programming, so what to do? So in that scenario, you don't have to worry about anything, because whatever course curriculum we have designed, that is from basic. See, if you go at the top, here there are no prerequisite written, which means even if you don't know anything, even if you are not from the computer science background, then also you can do this course. So if you see here, we have covered from what is force.com platform, what is its overview, what is Apex programming, all these things. What is the Apex programming life cycle, what are a variable, what are operator, how input output statement works, everything we have covered from the basic till advanced. So here at the bottom, if you see, we have covered the triggers also, test classes, visual force, SOSL, deployment, everything. So right from writing a 1 or 2 lines of code till writing 1000 lines of code and deploying it onto the production, everything we have covered. Okay, now most important thing is this integration. Okay, you will not find anywhere this integration covered in this much depth. And most importantly, for integration also, not only for the integration, for admin, development and integration, for all these verticals, for each topic we have assignments, we have trailheads, and we have case studies. So definitely you are going to get the theoretical knowledge along with that. So in our organization, we have say 40% theoretical knowledge and 60% practical knowledge. Okay, so you will be having more on hands-on, because when you go in industry, you have to do more hands-on rather than theory. See, who cares about theory? Nobody give a damn if you know any theory, because theory is there in the book. Now out of those theory, what you can do, what you can develop is what they will pay you for, right? And that's the reason we have focused more on hands-on. As I have already told you, we have taken requirement from different companies, and based on that we have designed this curriculum. And I'll show you we have a tracking sheet, we have all the assignments, we have all the projects. So whatever projects we are going to cover in this curriculum, you can put that in your resume and you can give the interview based on that. Okay, now we have seen the complete syllabus that we are going to cover in this period. So you have to complete this course within 5 months of duration, because generally it takes 5 months of duration. If you give at least 2 hours a day, then 5 months are more than enough to complete this course. Okay, but it might happen that some people are a bit slow in learning, some people are a bit fast in learning. So some people can complete it before 5 months and some people can complete in 6 or 7 months. And that's the reason we are going to give the access of this portal for 1 year. Okay, we are not going to be strictly like giving you the access for 6 months or 7 months, but we will be giving you access for complete 1 year. Okay, now let me cover the advantage and all the perks that we are giving along with this course. So definitely you will be having access for 1 year. Once you register, okay, you will be getting one mail for the confirmation. Along with that mail, you will also get one referral ID. I'll tell you the advantage of that referral ID. So you will get a confirmation mail that you have been successfully registered in Gyanarpan for respective course, that is Salesforce Expert. And then you will be getting the login ID and password to watch all the videos that we have. Okay, now along with that, you will be assigning with one mentor. So what happens while learning? See, we have designed this course curriculum in such a way that you can watch all the videos or learn as and when required. See, there is no boundage of time. We are not telling you that okay, you have to do in this period of time or that period of time. No, you can watch all the videos whatever time suits you. You can wake up in the morning, watch 1 hour of a video. You can before going to sleep, you can watch 1 hour of video. You can remember or recall during your college period or like during your classes, whatever you want to do, right? Based on your comfort level, we have designed this course. Okay, so but sometimes what happens now while learning also, some doubts we get from video also. Okay, while learning some doubts we get, then who is going to rectify those doubts, who is going to resolve those doubts? So that's the reason we assign you a mentor. Okay, now that a mentor will be just a call away or a WhatsApp message away from you. You just have to tell them, okay boss, I'm not understanding this thing or I'm not getting this thing, could you please explain me, or can you please solve my issue, can you please clear my doubts? You just have to call him or her directly, whoever will be your mentor, or you can message also. So these mentors will be available from mornings 8 a.m. till evening 8 p.m. So this will be like for 12 hours, these mentors will be available. Now let me tell you, these mentors are not someone who just clear the doubt. These are industry professionals. They are working in some company. Okay, they are working in some company. They will also clear your doubt, which means whatever professionals we have in our company, all are industry experts, all are working professionals. We don't have someone who just have a theoretical knowledge and who is just a professor. No, we don't entertain them. We have, everybody is a working professional. They work in different companies. So you will be assigning with mentor. One of them will be your mentor. We give 100% job assistance. So once you get registered in Gyanarpan, you don't have to worry about your job. First of all, what you have to worry about is you have to worry about the learning part. Okay, the 5 months course duration that we are telling you, you have to worry about that. Okay, how well I should do this, how well I will be doing this. That part you should be worried about, not about the placement. Because see, if you do all the topics properly, if you do all the assignments properly, if you complete all the trailheads, if you complete all the case studies that we gave, and if you get eligible for the mock interviews, I'm assuring you, you will get 100% guaranteed job. Because I'll tell you, there are a lot of job opportunities for freshers in the market. The only reason people are not getting job because they are not skilled enough. People should be skilled enough to get a job. See, understand this thing. Somebody will pay you some money. Why they will pay you? So that you can serve their purpose. You can solve their problem. If you don't know how to solve the problem, then why they will pay you money? Right? So that's the reason we give 100% assurity of job, that we will give you 100% job if you successfully complete our course. Now, what is meant by successful completion of the course? You complete all the assignments, all the projects, all the case studies, and you appear for the mock interviews. Now, most of the people, what they do is they do 3-4 topics, they do some assignment, and they think that, okay, sir, now we have paid a fees, please give us a job. Sorry, boss, we don't work on that terms. You have to complete everything, because whatever company we have tied up with, we have we have built a trust with them that we will be giving them a good candidate, right? So that's the reason we are giving 100% job assistance. Okay, now obviously assignment for the deeper understanding. One more thing, now consider, it might happen, okay, it might happen that sometimes you have, now recession is coming, okay, so it might happen sometimes that you will not get a job. For example, you have done all the assignments, all the projects, everything you have done, you have done a fantastic job. Okay, mock interviews also, whoever people came for the mock interviews, they also give you like a 5-star rating. Okay, they graded you like anything, but still after that also you are not getting a job. Then what we do is, if we are not able to place you in any of the company, whatever money you have paid, we return that money. We give you 100% cashback. So we have a money back guarantee here. We have a money back guarantee. The terms and conditions here written is that you should be completing our course successfully. Okay, obviously we have hands-on capstone project also. Mock interviews, so this mock interviews is just to check what are your strengths and weaknesses. Now this will be exactly approximately same as that of the real interview. The only thing is you will not get placed in any company using these interviews, but everything will be as same as that of the real interview. All the people from the industry will come, they will take your interview, they will note down your strength, note down your weaknesses. Everything will happen as it happens in the industry. Okay, then we have career guidance. Then most of the people, like they wanted to get into a job, but there are some people who wanted more from life, like they wanted to pursue some post graduation, or they wanted to, after this completion of the course, they wanted to learn more, or they wanted to get involved into some research work. So at that point also we help them. Okay, so this is what we do. Now there are many alumni, we can say, from Gyanarpan who are there in the different companies. Now whenever they wanted to switch to different companies and want better opportunities in the market, Gyanarpan always stand by their back. Every time student come to us, we refer them to different companies, and we get them placed in different companies, and we do not charge anything for that. So this is an added advantage that we give lifetime support to you. Okay, fine. So this is a complete advantage as well as course curriculum that we have. Now let me take you through the heart of this complete process. Now when I say heart of this complete process is nothing but this. So as I have told you that for every topic we will be giving you assignments, obviously use cases, assignments, then trailheads and case studies. So if you see here, we have for every topic, for example, see application, objects, fields, list view, tabs, records. So for all these topics, we have some trailheads. These trailheads are we have selected these trailheads by practicing only. Okay, see, we are not giving you any random trailhead. So those specific trailhead only you have to do, and we have jot down all the trailhead topic wise so that you can practice and you can focus on practice rather than hopping over the trailheads. Okay, now once you complete this trailhead, you have to complete this case study. I'll show you where exactly this case study is. Similarly, for the validation rule, formula field, page layout, record type, we have these trailheads, we have this case study. Similarly, for Salesforce formulas, we have this trailhead, we have this case study. Likewise, for almost all the topics, we have trailheads, we have case studies, we have trailheads, we have case studies. So this is how we have jot down everything. Now this is in the Word file format. Now how you will get this? So see, first of all, admin case study. Now when you will start, no, you will get one by one as soon as you complete. Okay, let me take you down to the tracking sheet first. So this is a tracking sheet. Once you get enrolled, you will be getting this tracking sheet over a mail. So this is a developer tracking sheet. Similarly, you will be getting a admin tracking sheet also, where all the topics will be mentioned here. And here we have what is the start date, what is the video, how much time you have taken for watching the video, how much time you have taken for case studies. Then we will be reviewing your case studies. So what are trainer views, how you have performed, and what comment we want to give on your case studies, whether you have done very good or you need improvement. All these things we are going to write it here. So this is how you have to maintain the tracking sheet, and that's the reason we have said that everything will be tracked. Okay, so that our recruiters will be knowing that what exactly you have done in this 5 months of duration, or say like throughout the course. Okay, I'll not specifically say 5 months because some people may take more than that based on the time that they have for preparation. Okay, so likewise you have to maintain this sheet. Now along with that, along with the trailheads, we have something called as super batches and certifications also. So you have to complete this super batch. For example, we have admin super batch, app builder super batch, apex specialist, developer super batch. So all these things you have to complete. And after completion of this, see, we are not forcing you to go for any certification for now, because it is possible to get the job without certification also. Okay, once you get into some company, you can go for certification. But during the course, like once the course is completed, and if you go for a certification, then it becomes an added advantage in your salary also and in your position also when you get placed in some company. Okay, so we are not forcing you for any certification, but yeah, if you do it, that will be an added advantage for you. Okay, now this is all about the curriculum that we have. Now this is all about the curriculum that we have in the development part as well as in admin part. Okay, now for integration also, we have case studies. See, this is for admin, this is for development. In development, if we go, see here, you can see the integration part. Okay, so for integration also we have case studies, we have trailheads and assignments. So most of the assignments you will get it in the video itself. Whatever videos we have, at the end of the video you will get use cases and assignments, and for trailhead and case studies explicitly will be sending you. Okay, as soon as and when you complete the videos, now we'll be sending you. Now along with this, we are going to give you some interview questions. See, if we have taken out all these interview questions and their answers, and we give you this just to check that okay, where exactly you are as far as interview is concerned. For every topic we want you to cover the depth as well as breadth, and that's the reason we have jot down all these interview questions along with the answer. So you can, this can act as a cheat sheet before you go for any interview. Okay, so we have taken almost all the companies that we have in our portfolio. So we have taken questions from them and we have added in this sheet. So there are two sheets we have, company wise questions. So these are only questions we have, and for question answer we have this sheet. So both the sheets will be shared to you. So this is a complete curriculum we have, and most importantly what we do is, during this period we try to make your best GitHub profile. Okay, then we make your LinkedIn profile, Trailhead profile, where you have to at least earn 1 lakh points, and then we make your Naukri profile also. Now when we say make, we are not just going to sign up and just keep it like as it is. No, see, those profiles will be tracked and handled and improvised by our mentors. Okay, the mentors that is going to assign to you. So that will have an added advantage at a time of placement. Because see, there are many people in this world, but everybody resume or everybody profile is not being seen by companies, right? Because they are missing something in their profile, and those missing things will be adding into your profile. So we'll be creating your GitHub, LinkedIn, Naukri, as well as Trailhead profile, which will be for every developer. All these things is necessary. So this will be having an added advantage. Okay, now the final part is, let's come to the fees part. Now see, we are giving these many things. So what do you think? What should be the fees? What should be the charges for this complete course? Because we are giving lot of things. We are giving all the practical experience to you. We are giving certification. Yeah, one more thing. We also give certification of whatever duration you spend in our company, that is in Gyanarpan. We do not give any fake certifications. Okay, whatever work you will do, that will be transparent to the company. And after completion of the course, one report will be generated, and in that report everything will be mentioned that okay, you have completed all these things, these are your strengths, these are your weaknesses, and that will help company to get you placed. Okay, that will be very easy for company to get you hired. Okay, so this report will be generated, and the certificate that you will get, no, in that certificate there will be a QR code where everything, your report card and all your performance will be mentioned in that QR code. So if everybody scans that QR code, people will be knowing that okay, this person is from Gyanarpan and he has done all these things. So everything is secure. No, nothing like, nobody can add any fake experience, or not, you cannot do anything of your choice. Everything will be transparent. Okay, now looking at all these things, what do you think should be the price of this course? See, in the market generally people are charging heavily. They are charging like 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. Obviously they give placement, and their curriculum is like for 1 year, and after giving 1 year and 2 to 3 lakh rupees, they get placed. So what do you think? What should be the charges for this course? We are not charging heavily. We are not charging in terms of lakhs. The Salesforce expert, if you are going for a placement, so with placement assistant, Salesforce expert fees is currently 39,999, that is 39,999. We are not charging lakhs. Yes, some people are charging lakhs, but we are not charging in terms of lakh, because it gets difficult for a candidate to pay this much amount. That's the reason we have drastically reduced our price from like 1 lakh or 2 lakh to 39,999. This is a minimal fees we are charging to the candidate, and along with this we are also giving the EMI option. So at a time of admission, you have to pay 10,000 rupees, and rest of the amount you can pay within a month. Okay, you have to pay that. Now there are some smart people also who don't want a placement from us, but they just wanted to learn, and based on their smartness and skill set, they will search the job and they will get it. So if you are one of such candidate, you can go for this program, and the fees for this is 29,999. So you can see that very minimal fees we have kept, so that this is affordable also, and most of the people can go for this course. So if you want to start your career in Salesforce, and if you wanted to learn from industry expert with all the practical knowledge that we have, then do visit our website and enroll in Salesforce Expert program. We also have YouTube channel, Instagram page and Telegram channel where we keep on updating about new vacancies for fresher as well as for the experienced candidate. We also give new updates that we get from Salesforce. So you can follow us on all these platforms. So take a step for your better career and get your dream job.